Hi, this is Joseph and welcome to another ReLISTO video tour. We're here at 111 Gilbert. This is a beautiful, spacious loft nestled right between Mission Bay and the Design District. Some really incredible details and bright spaces in this unit. Take a look around with me. I look forward to showing you in person. As we enter the main entry here, you'll immediately notice this grand living space, nice open living space. Perfect for entertaining or just relaxing by the fireplace as well. The main entry also has a half bath here, perfect for guests so they don't have to go downstairs or upstairs. You have a 3-level loft here, and I'll take you through all of the levels and kind of show you the different spaces. Here's the kitchen. It does have a gas range if you like to cook. I know how important that is. It has a hood as well, working hood. Plenty of space if you wanted to put an island in there with some bar seating, that would work as well. Just flipping around, as I said, you do have the open floor plan here. Looking at these great tall windows. You can open the very top windows. There's a pole that enables you to do that. You also have a nice little fire escape balcony here that you can step out on and enjoy the quiet, serene cul-de-sac. This property is on a one-way cul-de-sac street, very rare in San Francisco. You have some nice foliage and there's no street traffic. Very quiet, very serene. I'll just kind of give you a full look. This is the lofted space, gas fireplace, and you'll see those stairs go up to one of the lofted bedrooms there. We have a ceiling fan, central heat, really a beautiful amount of space here on the main level, and I'll take you to the other floors as well. Coming up the stairs, we're entering the top floor of this 3-level loft. This is a great amount of space. It can be utilized as an office or bedroom or both. It has plenty of space for a king-size mattress, a mattress plus desk. You can fit a number of furniture pieces up here. Also has its own very big closet with organized shelving and dual rows for hanging your clothes. Full bathroom up here as well. Just give you a quick peek. This is also the lofted floor, so you get a great amount of natural light in this cool balcony overlooking the main level, the open floor plan, and you get these 2-story windows kind of just beaming at you. So you can utilize this space however it works best for you. Really unique features with a loft here. So let me take you downstairs. Coming down the stairs and entering the lower level of this loft, we'll immediately turn left into another very spacious bedroom. Kind of give you a full look around. All of the bedrooms, all 3, have a great amount of space, can fit any size bed. This has a nice big built-in closet. Can fit plenty of clothes and also a little storage space back there. You have direct access to the patio from this room, which looks right over Gilbert. And you can see I have the slider open. It's incredibly quiet. No street traffic, no any kind of noise out here. And a really nice quiet patio space as well. I'll turn around and I'll take us into the next bedroom, which is directly next door, and probably the biggest bedroom of the 3. Really big space in here. Also patio access to the right side of the patio. A little staircase going up to the upper balcony as well. As I turn around, you can really see how big it gets in here. Now, there isn't a closet inside of this room, so you might want to utilize it as an office or something else, but there are some very large closets outside in this hallway. As you can see, you can hang clothes, and there's also a very deep storage space with some shelving back there as well. There's another full bathroom down here with a shower. And also a nice utility room with some extra space for storage or more clothing and your washer dryer right here. So this can all stay enclosed. You can close it down if you wanted to keep that quiet as well while you're doing laundry. And over here you have some more shelving. 2 large armoires, but I have that open so you can see the shelving in there. So really great storage space throughout this unit. Kind of just walk us back to the patio here. And if you're interested, reach out to ReLISTO, Joseph, to give you a showing 530-424-9105. This listing is brand new and it won't last long, so schedule your showing today.